Hi there. I'm going to now show you how to log into your Canvas account and create or start a new course. Make sure that we are using the website canvas.instructure.com. When you type that in, it should populate to this login page. If not, do \login/canvas, okay, like you see up at the top. Now, I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address and my password. When I do so, when I log in, you're going to see a dashboard that looks a lot different than yours, just meaning that I have a lot of courses already logged in or created, okay? And sometimes I have to stop and refresh and do it again because of slow internet connections. Now, when you log in, you should see your dashboard. For those of you that do not have any courses created, your dashboard here where it says published courses for me, yours will be blank, okay? Over on the right side, you'll see it says start a new course. We're going to click on that, okay? Now, for your course name, you want to name your course whatever is going to be in PowerSchool, or how it's going to be identified there, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do this one, Honors Math 3, and then we'll put the PowerSchool code here, okay? For your short name, this is the name that will be displayed when there's just little space, or for students as well, okay? And then go ahead and click Create Course. Now when you click Create Course, it automatically brings you to this screen. This is what we call the home page of the course. Now before we get any further, I'm going to take you through some of the things that you see here, but we're not going to do anything with any of these pieces. On the left hand side, you'll see the navigation parts for this specific course. When you create a new course, all of these navigation parts are exactly the same. When we actually go through the settings, we're going to change some of these and make them active and make some of them disabled, so we don't need to use those. Over on the right hand side of the screen, we can import existing content. We can import from Commons, and there will be another video on what Commons is and what it's used for. We will be choosing a home page from the different pages that we create. You can create a new announcement from here. You can see what the student view is. If a student were to log in, you can see how it's set up and it navigates. And new analytics is for student data for us to collect. Okay? So for right now, your course has been created and there will be a separate video on what to do next. Thanks so much.